Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Mercedes remote key fob. What we need to do is remove the emergency key blade from the top so we can access this panel here to access the key fob battery. So first we slide this mechanism here over, which releases the key fob blade like so. Okay, using the blade, slide it down this half of the key fob here, which pushes against the clip and then releases the cover. And there you go, there is your key fob battery. We just get a little tiny screwdriver, get it underneath the battery like so, to release it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2025, like this one. Okay, we slide our new key fob battery back into its housing. We make sure that the writing is facing upwards so we know the battery is in its correct location. Okay, and we just pop the cover back on, make sure it all lines up and clicks in place. We now put the emergency blade back into the key fob, make sure it clicks, and there you go, it's all done.